First year microbiology. Topic is Jaden stain. Jaden means Jill Nielsen staining. This is the second most type of staining process. So, Jill and Nielsen, they are both two scientists. They are proposed and he was modified by Jaden staining. So, this is the it is called as a acid fast staining. Gerenstein, other name of acid fast staining. Acid fast means uh, the bacteria acid fastness of the mycolic acid the consist of cell wall. So బ్యాక్టీరియా యొక్క కణకవచంలో మైకోలిక్ యాసిడ్ అనేటటువంటి యాసిడ్ ఉండడం వలన అది సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ వేసినప్పటికీ చనిపోదన్నమాట. సో ఆ సందర్భంగా దీనికి పేరేం పెట్టారంటే యాసిడ్ ఫాస్ట్ బ్యాక్టీరియా అని పేరు పెట్టడం అనేది జరిగిందన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ ద డయాగ్నోసిస్ ఆఫ్ tuberculosis. Principle: some organisms are not stained early by ordinary stain. Some organisms are not stained. Some organisms are not stained early by ordinary stain. కొన్ని సూక్ష్మజీవులు మామూలుగా నాట్ స్టెయిన్డ్ అనేవి నాట్ స్టెయిన్ మీన్స్ తొందరగా స్టెయిన్ అనేది జరగదు. ఎర్లీ బై ఆర్డినరీ స్టెయిన్ అంటే ఆర్డినరీ స్టెయిన్ ద్వారా మాత్రమే స్టెయినింగ్ అనేది జరగడం అనేది జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. Treated vigorously to make them visualize. Once the stained will not decolorize easily. These organisms are retail carbon fission. Even decolorized with acid, these organisms are called acid fast bacilli. So, once the stain will not decolor easily, దీన్ని మనం స్టెయినింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు స్టెయినింగ్లో బ్యాక్టీరియా యొక్క కణకవచంలో మైకోలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఉండడం వలన మనకి సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ వేసినప్పటికీ దాని కలర్ అనేది రిటర్న్ అనేది ఉండదన్నమాట. సో these organisms are retail carbon function. Even decolorized with acid, these organisms are called acid fast bacilli. Example: Mycobacterium tuberculosis and Bacterium leper are the acid fast bacilli. The known acid fast bacilli get decolorized with acid and accept counter stain. So reagents: 1% carbon function, 25% H2SO4 sulfuric acid, 1% methylene blue. Procedure: prepare a smear of sample to be examined, air dry and feed fixation. So what is the procedure of Jaden stain? First of all, we have to take a slide and with the sample and gently with smear preparation. So after smear preparation, you have to air dry or heat fixation. Then after Jaden stain consists of 3 staining. One is carbon function, second one is decolorizer, sulfuric acid 20%, and the third one is methylene blue. These are 3 stainings consist of the Jaden staining kit. So what is the process? Process means you have to prepare a smear sputum sample After smear preparation, air dry and heat fix the smear. Pour 1% carbon function and spirit flame. Spirit flame means underside of the heating, under slide of the heating is known as spirit flame. Heat the slide gently, each 5 minutes, totally 15 minutes. Intermittent heating, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Intermittent heating in 3 times. Wash with tap water. Wash with tap water. After washing the slide, then next pour with sulfuric acid. This is the 2 to 4 minutes or 3 minutes. Especially 2 minutes enough. Then wash the slide with water. After washing the slide, then pour with methylene blue. After pouring the methylene blue, wait for 30 to 40 seconds. 30 to 40 seconds after washing the slide, water and dry it. Then Albert stain, Albert stain, it is a useful demonstration of metachromatic granules. Reagent Albert stain 1, Albert stain 2. Procedure: prepare a smear of sample to be examined, air dry and heat fix it. So, cover the smear with Albert stain 1 and keep it for 5 minutes. So, Jadenstein, this is the after Jadenstein, you have to estimate the Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Mycobacterium tuberculosis causes for tuberculosis disease. Especially, we have to see in on slide. We have to see in a slightly covered pink color bacilli. These Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacilli, they are some organisms are single, some organisms are pairs. We have to see on the slide in Jadenstein after preparation. So then we have to after preparation Jadenstein, one or two mistakes in the procedure. What are they? The one is you have to especially spirit flame in Jadenstein only. Why? Because the bacterium acid fastness is more than on other bacteria. So that's why we have to especially is a sulfuric acid is a acid fastness consists of mycolic acid. That's the main reason is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Then second thing, for especially 20% sulfuric acid used for Mycobacterium tuberculosis staining, 5% Jadenstein, 5% of sulfuric acid we have to use it for Mycobacterium lepra. Lepra causes for leprosy. This is the Kushtu Vyadi. So, leprosy is especially in dry areas in the in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh or any every other areas. So, this is the how to interpretation of the Jadenstein. One is we have to see 1 to 2 bacteria in 9 squares. We have to nil negative sample. 1 to 9 bacilli per field we have to trace or one place. Then 1 to 9 bacteria per 10 fields, 2 place. 1 to 9 bacteria per field we have to 3 place. Plenty of bacilli we have to see in 4 plus organisms we have to given the report. So that's why I'm telling first of all, especially Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a what is the symptoms of Mycobacterium tuberculosis in after continuously 1 or 2 weeks coughing, and second one is fever, third one is headache, fourth one is body pains. This is the symptoms of Jaden staining. So this is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, especially causes for tuberculosis disease. And nowadays also the tuberculosis is a one or two types, is a pulmonary tuberculosis and lungs tuberculosis. So then write about second thing, second staining, about Albert staining. Albert stain is a very it is a useful for demonstration of metachromatic granules in Corynebacterium diphtheriae. So uh, reagents Albert staining 1 and Albert staining 2. What is the procedure? Procedure: prepare a smear sample to examine air dry and heat fixation. Cover with smear Albert stain 1 and keep it for 5 minutes. Wash it with water, air dry it. Now cover the smear Albert stain 2 for 1 to 2 minutes. Gently wash and air dry. Observe oil immersion objective. So we have to cover the Albert stain one and keep it the 5 minutes. Wash with water and cover the Albert stain two, 1 to 2 minutes. Gently wash the air dry and observe under oil immersion less. What is the result? How to interpret? How to give it the interpretation? Yeah. Smear stain, Albert stain method shows bluish black granules bacterial body bacilli, green color. So this is the especially Corynebacterium diphtheria is the bacteriological bacteriology. What is the bacteria? The study of the study of bacteria is called bacteriology. One is pathogenic microorganism consists in the bacteriology. That is a Corynebacterium diphtheria. Corynebacterium diphtheria causes diphtheria disease. Is presently this disease is not seen in areas in already there are resistance power in the people who have to Corynebacterium diphtheria. So Corynebacterium diphtheria is a very important disease, but diphtheria is a like L or V shaped bacteria. Is a very Latin China letter like bacteria shows in the very rarely, but other than in Mycobacterium with hot and cold stain method in the general stain, but only Albert stain is a especially we have to see here and Corynebacterium diphtheria. Then what Dexter staining is a spore staining. Dexter staining is a spore staining. What is the spores? Spores in Telugulo సిద్ధ బీజాలు అంటారు. Microorganisms consist of spores. How to see the spore staining? Endospores are thick-walled spore formed in the bacterial cell. Endospores are thick, very resistant to physical and chemical agents. Reagents: one is carbon function, second one is 5% nigrosin. Procedure: added few drops of carbon function in test tube containing bacillus culture. Place the tube in the boiling water bath for about 20 minutes. Few drops of carbulfaction in test tube containing bacilli culture. Place the tube in a boiling water bath about 22 minutes. Remove the tube from the bath and prepare the smear on a clean glass slide. Now fix the smear with heat. Put a few drops of 5% nigrosin. Allow to air dry. Examine under oil immersion objective. Result: endospores are stained red color. Vegetative cells are transparent and colorless agent, black background. So, endospores are stained in red color. Vegetative cells are transparent endospores are stained in red color. Especially endo means outside. Endo means spores. Exospores. Exospore means inside of the spore stainings. Then this is the spore staining bacteria. This is a very important spore staining. Example Bacillus anthracis. Then write about negative staining as a continuation tomorrow. Thank you all of you.